How did cancer terms get their scientist names? Imagine a time when doctors looked at tumors and used simple shapes or images to describe what they saw. That's how many cancer terms got their names. The word cancer comes from the Greek doctor Hippocrates around 400 BCE. He called tumors karkinos, which means crab, because some tumors look like crabs with spreading legs. Later, the Roman doctor Celsus translated karkinos into cancer, which also means crab in Latin. This crab imagery helped early doctors picture how tumors invade nearby tissues. Another important word is oncos, which means swelling or mass in Greek. Galen, a famous early physician, used oncos to describe tumors. This word is the root of oncology, the branch of medicine that studies cancer. Over time, as scientists learned more, they started naming specific cancers after the doctors who first described them. For example, Hodgkin lymphoma is named after Thomas Hodgkin, who studied this disease in the 1800s. Burkitt lymphoma is named after Dennis Parsons Burkitt, a British surgeon who identified it. Ewing sarcoma is named after James Ewing, who described this bone cancer. Wilms tumor, a kidney cancer in children, is named after Max Wilms, a German surgeon. These names honor the contributions of these scientists and doctors. They helped us understand different types of cancer and how to diagnose them. The way we name cancers has changed over time. Early descriptions used simple images or metaphors, like the crab. Now, we also use scientific names based on the tissue or cell type, like carcinoma for cancers from epithelial cells or sarcoma for connective tissue cancers. Knowing these names can help people living with cancer understand their diagnosis better. When a doctor says carcinoma, they mean a cancer from the lining of organs. If they say sarcoma, it's a cancer of tissues like bones or muscles. And knowing that some cancers are named after the doctors who first studied them can make the disease feel a little less confusing. It connects us to the history of medicine and shows how our understanding of cancer has grown. So, the next time you hear a cancer name, remember it might be a tribute to a scientist or a simple shape that early doctors used to describe what they saw. These names are part of the story of how medicine learned to fight this disease.